We just got a severe dust storm warning. And that darkness is the dust storm. Holy moly. You can't even see the back halves of these three hills. Like that one, and that one, they continue. There's one behind there, and it's just gradually getting eaten up by this dust. It's so weird. The wind is at my back. But it's coming over. I'm so confused. Can you see it? You know, it looks like it's coming this way, but the wind is blowing from behind me. I mean, it's eating up the mountains, coming closer, but that really kind of blows my mind how the wind can be at my back and that can be coming towards us. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I started filming it. I'm like, you can actually see the wall approaching. And I mean, like, if you're watching, you can actually see it kind of eating up the mountains as it comes. Look, you can see where the dust, you can see where it ends over here. I mean, it literally goes off into the horizon. Do you see? I think this is just really obvious because it's in direct sunlight. Yeah, look how much of the mountain you just can't even see anymore.
Even though the wind's coming from behind us, maybe it's like sucking it in. Maybe it's like doing this sort of thing where it's drawing that towards it and ripping it up.
Yeah, I watched this. I don't know if it's true, but I watched this now. Granted, habubs are different. I don't imagine to know, but like the average dust thing, they said it's like when you just see random, like the dust storms that underneath clouds, but not rain, that it's where the clouds have enough moisture that they actually drop it, but the air is too humid and it absorbs the moisture, but the weight of the cool air dropping still goes. And so it hits the ground and kicks up this huge dust cloud. Essentially a storm without rain. But, I mean, this is so much bigger than that. And I don't understand how the wind can be on our back. And I
don't know. That's pretty freaking awesome.
I know. The one mountain's gone already. There's, yep, 1, 2, and then that number 3 is gone. And the warnings are for the next hour. Look how tall it is over there now. Oh my gosh, just one mountain left.
It's almost like some kind of doomsday.
I know. I'm wondering if I should shut the windows to the RV.
I mean, when it gets closer.
Does it look like the dust is settling in the middle?
Kinda.
But I can't see the third mountain at all now. So weird. that number 3 is getting eaten. I wonder if Treaty Hill will disappear.
That's what I'm thinking. Like if Treaty Hill disappears, then it's coming towards us. I'm fine with that.
Sorry, all that is my mess right there. Don't look at it. Huh. It's wild, bro. Wouldn't it be interesting to see if, like, the whole, Mike's weather circle thing, if it did
it just like bounces around.
like if it just blew, like it got here and then just went up and back.
I mean, there's like nothing on the west side of it. Yep.
You can see the definition over here still.
Starting to cover up Antenna Hill.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Crazy. Oh my gosh, you can only see Treaty Hill right now. You can't see anything, I mean, from the camera.
That's insane.
Oh my gosh, you can't, IRL, you can't see it either. Nice, pretty. Nice, pretty. It's Mexico, and then Habub.
Excuse me. It's not a toy.
It's a paintbrush, Bo.
Are you gonna coat the floor? Hey, hey, hey! They don't like you enough as it is. Stop destroying their tools. Ah, leave it.
Well, if he's gonna paint with it.
If you're gonna work, it'll be the first time in your life.
Yeah. Treaty Hill is going away. Little by little.
You can't see the antennas on Antenna Hill anymore.
Oh my gosh.
We lose sight of the train.
That's what I was just thinking.
If we lose sight of the train, then we know it's on its way.
If we lose sight of the train, I'm gonna run inside and hold my breath.
Which, yeah, or
Right in here, just right downstairs and call it good. Oh, there's Treaty Hill. I was like, I can't even see it anymore. Antenna Hill has vamoosed. It is somewhere in there.
hey,
It is invisible now. Only one mountain left because the treaty and everything else is no more. The history has been erased.
here's the Amtrak. Amtrak's on its way.
Oh, there he is. Hi, Amtrak.
You
Wasabi
made it.
peeps.
Made it through the storm. The guardians of the.
You made it. Run. It's still coming.
Amtrak's probably just. But it affects your respiratory system. And it's really bad for dogs and shit.
Really?
So people can get it too.
Look at that. Only that one hill's left. I don't even know the name of it.
Clear blue skies. And then this.
You must be here. Can't see the mountain at all. And the dust is starting to go there. That's Antenna Hill coming back.